Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So last month was my birthday and I received a very special gift from a very special someone. And I want to unbox it with you guys. So let's begin! Okay, let's do this. So let's open this one. I have here the receipt. Open this one. These are batteries. 3 pieces of batteries. Included also is your charger and of course the manuals to get you started. And also propeller guards. So let's open this one. Let's also open one of the batteries. So it's like this one. And of course your DJI carry bag. And ta-da! So this is your DJI Mini. It's very small and light. Let's remove the sticker. And this is how it looks like. This is your battery hub, so it can hold 3 batteries. Next are extra parts. These are the USB connector for your phone and cord for charging. Another cord for charging and a small screwdriver for your propeller. We also have extra remote control sticks. So let's try putting the battery inside the battery hub. So it will be like that. Next is the remote control. So the remote control stick is located at the bottom. Just remove it and screw it at the top. So the bottom part, this part is for your phone. Next is the extra propeller blades. Now, let's summarize what's included in the DJI Flymore combo. So we have here the DJI carry bag, propeller guards, remote controller, extra propeller blades, manuals, your DJI Mavic Mini, 3 pieces of batteries, 1 battery hub, 1 charger, 2 connector for your PC, 1 pair of extra controller stick, 3 different types of cable for your phone, 1 small screwdriver, and extra screws. Now, let's try to apply it. So first, prepare your remote control. I'm using Android, so I already connected the USB Type-C connector. Then, connect the remote control stick. You can find it at the bottom side. And we're done. Next is to connect your cell phone. So you also need to download the DJI Fly app. So for this, I already downloaded it before the operation. One more, you can also adjust the grip according to the size of your phone. And the remote control is ready. Next, let's prepare the Mavic Mini. Just open the bin and make sure to remove the gimbal protector. Also, make sure that the battery is full charge. Now, to turn on this drone, press this button once and then hold press for around 5 seconds until you hear the sounds. So here, you can see that the gimbal is adjusting. So even though the drone is tilted, you can see that it is in horizontal position. Now, on to operation. Just press the takeoff button in the DJI Fly app. This will make the drone take off automatically. I tried the backward and forward motion, then the left and right motion. Next is the rotation. Rotate right and rotate left. And the upward and downward motion as well. Next, if you want to land, just press the land button on the DJI Fly app. Next, I will be showing you the actual shot from the drone. Now, you might be wondering why I did not fly the drone outside. Well, unlike Philippines, Japan has a very strict rule when it comes to flying aerial vehicles like drone. You can't just fly all over Japan. When you get caught flying in restricted areas, at worst, you need to pay around 500,000 yen which is equal to $500. I am currently living in Hiroshima, and this is the map of Hiroshima. And at the bottom side, you can find the DJI Geo Zone. So all the red parts are highly restricted areas. And green parts are recommended flight area. So in order for you to fly your drone on restricted areas, you need to have a permit. You can apply for the permit in the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism. So I will be documenting my application in order to help those foreigners who also want to fly their drones in Japan. And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching, guys. To those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you want more Japan videos, kindly comment in the comment section below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!